Okay, guys. So now let me show you. Because last time what we did was we were able to solve for the angle of sectors in our previous video. Now, let me show you how we're going to solve for the circumference and area of every sector of the circle. Okay? First, let's solve for the circumference and area of the entire circle. So first, what is the measure of our diameter? Remember the diameter, it talks about a radius that is double the radius. That goes from one end to the center twice. And our radius measures 17 cm. So that's our diameter. Our diameter is 17 cm. So therefore, our radius is 8.5. So therefore, pi. So therefore, our formula is pi. Pi. Then, our r, what is our r? Our r is 8.5. And then our diameter is 17. Tama? Now, to solve for the circumference of the entire circle, it's very easy. Diba, remember that's 3.14 times 17, diba? Pi times diameter. And therefore, this becomes 28. Diba, remember this becomes, ano yun? 7 times 1 is, ano yun? 21.98, diba? Then, 3 and 1, 4, diba? Then after that, you just add the numbers. 8, 13, 3, 5. So, 53.38 cm, diba? So, that is exactly how you're gonna do it, okay? So, yan. That is exactly how you're gonna do it, okay? Then, for the area of the circle, diba remember the area of the circle is pi times the radius squared. Diba remember pi times radius squared is 3.14 times 8.5, 8.5. 8.5, diba remember this is 25. And then, diba remember, plus 1, 9 plus 8, 17. 72, diba? So, 72.25, diba? Then, applying our formula, we get this is 1570, 628, 21.98, diba? Now, all we have to do after that is to just simply add the numbers. 0, 15, 6 plus 2 is 8, 16. 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 18. 7 plus 9 is 16. Yan. And then, how many decimal places? 4. So, therefore, that is our area. Our area is 226.865 cm. So, this is our C. Our A is 226.865, okay? Now, let's see if we got this right. Okay, diba? So, therefore, diba remember yung pi? 3.14 times 17. Yes, and that was correct. 53.38. Then, on the right side, we have 3.14 times 8.5 squared, diba? Yes, that is correct din. Okay? Now, you're gonna solve for the circumference and area of every sector of the circle. So, now, let's start. So, to solve for the circumference and area of the circle, diba remember that normally, our formula for circumference is pi times diameter, diba? Pero, diba remember, since we're looking for a sector of the circle, therefore, we have to multiply that by the angle of degree, divide by 360. Like, for example, kagaya ng sabi ko sa iyo, kung half circle, it's 1/2. Dahil, what makes a half circle? 180 degrees, diba? And 180 over 360, that's the same as 1/2. So, kaya naman 1/2. So, now, let's start. So, let's start off with this color, which is color red. So, the red is 72 degrees, diba? Ito yung color red. 72 degrees, okay? So, is our red 72 degrees? Looking back at our notebook, yes, the color red must be 72 degrees, diba? It's right here, diba? So, it's 6 out of 30. So, therefore, now, we do the formula. So, to solve for the circumference, mabilis lang yun. Diba, remember, it goes like this. 3.14, diba, remember, we have 53.38, diba? So, yung 53.38 times, what is the, ano yun, times, ano yun? So, therefore, it will go like this. Diba, remember, for red, C na red, it's equivalent to 3.14 times 17 times, diba, remember, we have 72 over 360. Tama? Did you know that 72 over 360, that fraction can be simplified? How can you simplify 72 and 360? Ganito kasi yun. First, diba, remember, 72 and 360 can be both divided by the number 18. And when you do that, what is 72 divided by 18? That's 4, diba? So, 8, so that is 4. On the bottom side, 360 divided by 18, that is 36 divided by 18, and that is 2. So, that becomes 2. 4 over 20, di ba? And 4 over 20 times, we want to make it 100. So, therefore, this becomes 20 times 5 equals 100. 4 times 5 is 20. Or you can simplify the fraction, then this becomes 1/5. Di ba? So, therefore, that is 1/5. Sige, let's double check. 1/5, di ba? So, 72 over 360, that is 1/5. Let's see if we got that right. 72 divided by 360. Yes, that is the same as 1/5, di ba? If you are to type this in fraction mode, yes, you still get 1/5 as the answer. So, 1/5. Now, we have to multiply that by 1/5. It's fine like we're multiplying 1/5 of that number. So, now, we have 53.38 times what's 1/5? 0.2, di ba? 0.2. Therefore, this becomes 16. 16 to, di ba? 16. Then, 7, 6, 106. Then, 2 decimal places. So, therefore, the answer is 106.76, di ba? Pero, di ba remember, that is 10.676. So, therefore, circumference of bread is 10.676 cm. Di ba? Kasi nga, we need to add to ensure we get 53.38. So, that is the circumference for color red. If you are to do the radian formula, di ba remember the radian formula? It goes like this. Di ba remember we have radius times theta. Di ba remember yung radius? That is 8.5, di ba? So, 8.5 times what is the angle that we're looking for? 72 times 3.14 divided by 180. And you know that 72 and 180, they divide out. They divide out by 18. Di ba remember, 72 divided by 18 is 4. 180 divided by 18 is 10, di ba? So, 10 siya, and this is 4. And take note that 4 over 10, that can be simplified to, or you can do 8.5 times 4. Di ba remember, 8.5 times 4 is 17, so 34. So, 34 times 3.14, 3.14 times 34, di ba? Diba, that becomes 1250, 1226, 942. Then we add 7, 6, 10. Tama nga. And then 1 decimal point, 2 decimal places. Then divide by 10, diba? Remember, this is divide by 10, diba? So doing that, that becomes 10, 0, 6, 7, 6, diba? So tama, we still get the same answer. That's it. That is how we solve it in radian formula. Now, to solve for the area, mabilis lang yun. Diba, remember to solve for the area, what is the formula for the area? That is pi times the radius squared. Diba, remember our area is right here. 226.865. Then, we must multiply that by 0.2. Kasi nga, diba, remember what is 36, what is 6 over, what is 72 over 360? 1/5. So, therefore, it's 1/5. So, therefore, it's multiplied by 1/5 or 0.2. So, now we do the same thing, di ba? And now we have 10, di ba? 13, di ba? 130. 17, di ba? This is 17, di ba? 13, 5, 4, di ba? That is 400, ano yun? Pero that is wrong kasi nga we have to shift the decimal place here. So, therefore, the area is 45.373. That is the area. So, the area is 45.373. That is the area. Okay? Now, we already got the area of one sector of the circle. If we are to do this in radian formula, do I remember the radian formula goes like this? 1/2 times the radius squared times theta. Do I remember 8.5? That is radius squared, di ba? 8.5 times 8.5, di ba? And then, do I remember that is, what is the formula? We have pi, that is 72 times 3.14 divided by 180. Teka, did you know if you multiply the denominators, therefore, di ba remember 8.5 squared, that is 8.5 times 8.5 over 1. Di ba? So, 2 times 180 becomes 360, di ba? And then 8.5 times 8.5 is the same, then 8.5 squared times 3.4. Therefore, tama, we still get the same. It's still the same as what we got. Diba? Times 72 over 360. So, teka, it's just like the same formula as what we got kanina, diba? Now, let's check with the calculator to see if we got that right. So, di ba remember yung formula namin ay ganito. So, therefore, we have 1/2 times radius squared, 8.5 squared, times, di ba remember we have this. The product of 72 over 1 times 3.14 over 180. Did we get this? Yes, it's 45.373. And that is the answer for the color red. Now we are done with one color. So now let's move on to another color. Maybe the next color I want to work on is color pink. Diba, remember for the sake of color pink, we get 48 degrees. Tama? So that's 48 over 60. And again, to solve for pi, do you still remember what is our circumference? Our circumference is 53.38. So therefore, for circumference for the color pink, that is 53.38 times, diba remember that is 48 over 360, diba? Remember, the angle of the sector should be in the numerator compared to 360 is in the denominator because we are going around the whole circle, diba? Kasi the 48 degrees stops up to there, diba? And then 360 degrees to go around one whole circle. Kasi nga, if we're 360 degrees over 360 degrees, we are going around one whole circle. Pero we want the angle of the sector lang. Kaya naman, that's why we have to divide by 360 degrees. Now, let's simplify. So, 48 and 360, that can be divided by 12. Diba, remember, if we were to divide it by 12, that becomes, diba, 48 divided by 12 is 4. 36 divided by 12, 36 divided by 12 is 3. But just add 1 0. So, 4 over 30. And 4 over 30 is the same as 2 over 15. So, therefore, that is the answer, diba? Pero 2 over 15 cannot be simplified any further. So, therefore, we got no choice but to just multiply the number, the multiply by 53.38 times 2, diba? So, therefore, it's just like, it's just like what we did kanina, diba? We get the 106.76. Pero we have another decimal point. So, therefore, now, we have, diba, remember, this is 106.76, diba? We shift one decimal point to the right. Kasi nga, diba, remember, we have 3 decimal points here. But here, we only have 2. But now, we need to divide that by 15. Kasi nga, diba, remember, since we multiplied it by 2, kailangan tayo i-divide by 15. So, when we divide it by 15, this is 7. 105, this is 1. This is 17, this is 1. I don't need fan. 15. And then 26, diba? 26 divided by 15 is 1. 15. Diba? And this is 11. 10. 7. 105. 5. 3. 45. Tama. So, therefore, the circumference is 71.173333. Okay? That is the circumference. Now, let's check with the calculator to see if we got that right. So, again, we plug this in our calculator. So, therefore, do you remember, if we were to do the other formula, which is theta, we do it like this. 8.5 times, do you remember, we have theta. Do you remember what is the value of pi? The sector of the circle, 48 over 1 times 3.14 over 180. Tama. We almost got it right, diba? Tama. 7.117333 in a bunch of 3's. That is the answer. Now let's do the area. For the sake of the area, we multiply the area of 226.865 times the same value. So, times 2, diba, remember we did that a while ago, diba? And we got 453.370. Pero, that becomes 45 in the first place. Dahil we have one more decimal point. Ngayon, we are shifting the decimal point to the right. So, therefore, our answer of 453.73 divided by 15. Diba? Kasi nga we multiplied it by 2, diba? Now, we're gonna have to divide. This becomes 3. 45,037. So, that becomes 2, diba? 30, 73, 6, no 4, 60, 130, 8, 120, 10. That becomes 6, 90, and that's 100, diba? So, therefore, the answer is 30.248666, diba? Now, let's see if we get that answer correct. Okay, so we do the same thing. Let's do it in the radian formula. 1/2 times, do you remember what is the radius squared? 8.5 squared. then multiplied by, what is the number? 48 on the numerator, then 1 on the denominator, times 3.14 over 180. What answer did we get? Yes, that is the right answer. 30.24866667. That is the answer for the color pink. Diba? Remember that answer, alright? So what answer do we have so far? So now for the red, we get, what is the value of red? So red circumference is 10.676. Pink for circumference is, ano to? 7.113733. It also works for the orange din. Kasi nga, diba, remember, yung orange ay 48 degrees. So, we still got the same din, diba? 7.11733. So, how many na lang we... So, and then, after that, the area we have, diba, remember here, ang area ay 45.373 for the red, diba? For the area which is color pink, that is 30.24, diba? Same pa rin with the color yellow. Although you cannot see it. Kaya that's also another reason why I don't like to use color orange. Dahil what you is, you cannot see it, diba? You cannot see what I'm writing, diba? So yun. Kaya that's exactly the 3. So now we're already done with 3 colors. What are the other colors na lang? The other colors are green, blue, and violet. How about let's start with color green first? Dahil ang kulay green ay pwede mahirapan kayo dyan. So maybe let's do the color... Dude, what did I tell you? Stand up first, diba? So now let's do color green. So for color green, that is 36 degrees, diba? So the formula still implies the same, diba? So therefore, you have 3.14 times 17 times 36 over, diba? Remember ito yung circumference namin, diba? 3.14 times 17 times 36 over 360. Ayan, mabilis lang to. You know why? Ganito kasi yun. Did you know that 36 and 360 can be simplified? If you were to divide that, you will divide both sides by 36, you get 1 over 10. Diba? So it's parang like talaga, you just multiply your answer by 110. And remember, 110, you're shifting the decimal place to the left. Diba? So therefore, your circumference for color green, that is, what is the value of the circumference? Diba, remember, 53.38. We shift the decimal point to the left, that is 5.338 cm. Diba? On the right side, which is what you call the area, we shift the decimal point to the left din, and then we get, diba, remember that is the area that we got kanina. Then we multiply it by 1/10 or 36 over 360, we divide it by 10, diba? Based on our answer that we got here, diba? And then we get 22.6865. Yan, diba? So that is the right answer. To double check using the calculator, let's see if we still get the same answer. I think we still get the same answer rin, diba? So therefore, we do 1/2 times, ano yun? 8.5 squared times, diba, remember, this is, diba, over here, that is, ano yun? 36 times 3.14 over 180. Tama, we still get that answer, diba? Then, for the theta, we get 8.5 times, diba, remember, this is 36 over 1 times 3.14 divided by 180. We get this. Tada! We still get the same answer. That is color green. Mabilis lang yun. Next, color blue. Diba, remember the color blue, we have 96. 96, mabigat yun. Or maybe siguro para mas convenient, we do na lang the 60 degrees. Dahil ang 60 degrees ay mabilis lang. So, let's do 60 degrees first. So, diba, remember, it's still the same. 53.38, that is the circumference, times 60 over 36. Did you know that 60 over 360, that is the same as 1/6. So, therefore, we are dividing our answer by 6. So, therefore, this is divided by 6. This is 8, 48, 5, 8, 48. This is 9, 54, 4, 6. So, 8.89666 and a bunch of 6s. So, that is our C. 8.896 cm. Let's see if we get that right. So, now let's see if we got it right using the formula theorem. So, this one we get, what's the value? 60. Yes, that is correct. Diba? Now, on the area naman, diba, remember, it's still the same. We just divide our answer, 226.8.65 by 6. So, this is what you get, diba? This is 3, 18, 4. This is, what's the number ba? This is 7, diba? Because 7 makes 42, diba? 42, 4. Tama, we get 8. 48 and then 6. 5, that is 10, diba? 60, 50, 8, 48, 2, 3, 3, 3, diba? So now let's see if we get that answer right. Diba, remember here we have, diba, remember it's right, this one, diba? 1/2, 8.5 squared. Then on the right side we have, diba, remember that's 36, diba? 60 divided 60 over 1, no, over 1 times 3.14 over 180. Did we get that one right? Yes, that is the right answer. 37.810833, diba? So that is the remnant area, diba? Now for the last one, that is color blue. Even though you don't like to solve anymore, very easy na to. What is the plan? Ganito na lang yun. You simply add up all the numbers that you have, and then after that, you get to subtract from the total. So that you can get the remnant area. Diba? Or we can just multiply everything to see if we still get the same answer. Diba? Remember, we have 96 over 360. Dividing that by 36. Divide by 12. Diba? Remember, 96 divided by 12 is 8. Diba? Diba? Remember, 8 times 12 is 96. Diba? 12 times 8, this is 16, 9. So therefore, divide by 12 on both sides, 8, diba? 360 divided by 12, that is 8 over 20. And 8 over 20, diba, remember, that simplifies to 3 over 5. So tama, it's just like we multiply our answer by 3, and then we divide by 5. Diba? So therefore, it will go like this, 53.38 times 3, diba? And that becomes 24. This becomes 9, 11. This is 10. This is 3 times 5 is 16, diba? Then add 1 decimal point, diba? 160 over 14. Pero it's been divided by 5. So therefore, we need to divide our answer by 5, diba? So therefore, now we divide by 5, and then what's the answer here, diba? The answer that we get here is, let's see. 160 and 5, that is 32, diba? Then, diba, remember, we divide 140 divided by 5. So let's do it step by step. This is 0, and then this is, ano yun? This is 2, diba? Because this one is already 160. So therefore, 140, and this is 10, 40, so 8. So therefore, that is 32.028, diba? So our last circumference is 3, wait, teka, tama ba? Sige, let's double check. Diba, remember ito yung formula namin, diba? So therefore, we have, diba, remember the formula goes like this. 8.5 times, diba, remember this is 96, over 1 times 3.14 over 180. Tama! Oh! That was the wrong answer. That was not the right answer. Kasi nga the answer is, gets ko na. Kasi nga diba, remember, 96 divided by 360, that is, ano yun? Diba, remember, 360 divided by 12 is 30. So, dapat this should be the number 30 pala. And 8 divided by 30, that is the same as if we were to simplify that. Kasi nga, diba, remember, 96 divided by 12 is 8. 360 divided by 12 is 30. 8 divided by 30 is, diba, remember, 8 divided by 4, 2 is 4. 30 divided by 4 is 15. So, it's like we multiply the entire number by 4, then we divide by the number 15. Okay? Pero since we don't want to solve, I think it's better talaga we add na lang everything. So now, let's add everything now. So, diba, remember, we have 10.676. Ito na siya, diba? So now, let's do our final summation. 10.676 plus 7.11733. That becomes 3, 3, 7, 9, 8, 7, 17. Plus this one again, di ba? Or 6, 6, 10. This becomes, ano yun? 11. 11 plus 11, di ba? And then this becomes, ano yun? 8, 9, 24, di ba? Or para mas madali, we use na lang calculator. So, 10 plus 676 plus 7.1133 times 2 plus 5.3388 plus 8.896. Yan, and that is the answer. Then we subtract that from our real answer, which is 53.38, di ba? Do we still get the same answer? Yes. So that's the value of our last circumference. 14.2354 cm. On the area naman, we still do the same thing. We add up all the known values and then we subtract that from our total, which is 226.85, di ba? So therefore, 45.373 plus 30.248667 times 2 plus 22.6865 plus 37.81033. We get this answer. Then, we have to subtract that by the total, which is 226.865. What answer did we get? The last answer is 60.5. So, the last area is 60.497 or 60.5, di ba? Yan, di ba? Or, if you were to make things easier, we can do the formula like this, di ba? So, therefore, we have 1/2 times, remember this is 8.5 squared, di ba? Then, on the right side, we multiply that by 96 over 1 times 3.14 over 180. Do you think we still get 60.5? Yes, we still get the same answer. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and continue with your math. God bless.